Hello students, welcome to the video. In the last videos, we had a discussion over multiplication, addition and subtraction on polynomials. Today, in this video, we will talk about division of monomials by a monomial. There are two methods to deal such problems. One is expanded form and other is exponent form. In this question, it is said that divide 2x to the power 5 by x square. We will solve it first by expanded method. That is, we will write it in this way: 2x to the power 5 divided by x square. That means we can write it 2x to the power 5 divided by x square, that equal to 2. So x to the power 5 means the x is multiplied 5 times. That is x into x into x into x into x. Now here x square means x into x. Now so this x and this x will be cancelled. So what is left? 2 into 1, 2, 3, x to the power 3, because 3x are multiplied, so it is x to the power 3. Okay, if we solve it by exponent method, okay, so how will you solve it? See, this is 2x to the power 5 divided by x square. Now we can write it as 2x to the power 5 by x square. See, this is x to the power 5, this is x to the power 2. 5, 2. Obviously 5 is greater than 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write it as x to the power 5 minus 2. So that is equals to 2 into x to the power 3. See, both the answers are same. The question is divide 5x square y cube by 2xy square. So let us write it in this way: 5x square y cube divided by 2xy square. Now this is 5x into x, y into y into y divided by 2 into x, y into y. Okay. Now x and x will get cancelled, y will get cancelled, so it will be, now we cannot divide 5 by 2, so it will be as it is. So in the numerator there is x and y, there is x and y. In the denominator there is nothing except 2, so this is 5 by 2 xy. It is the answer. If we solve it in exponent way, so then it is 5x x square y cube divided by 2 into xy square. See, so 5 and 2, so it will be as it is. Now x square, so x to the power 2, and in the denominator here x to the power 1, so this one will be subtracted. So the power of x in the numerator will subtract the power of x in the denominator. Similarly, the power of y in the numerator, that is 3, will subtract the power of y in the denominator, that is 2. That equal to 5 by 2 xy, because 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. But students, if I tell you which method is easier for you, I think you will go for expanded method. But still, I will tell you to use exponent method, because in this question, see, divide 2x to the power 10 by x cube. So will you write x to the power 10, that means will you write x 10 times, or if it is x to the power suppose 20, x to the power 25, then will you write x 20 times or 25 times? Obviously not. That is why it is better to use exponent method. So let us solve this by exponent method. So 2 into x to the power 10 divided by x cube. So easily we can say that 2 into x to the power 10 minus 3, that is 2 into x to the power 7, and this is the answer. Let's go for this problem. Here divide 9x square by 3x to the power 5. So let us expand. First of all, it is 3. So 3 into x divided by, sorry, x to the power 5, it is x. So 5x are here. So these two will be cancelled. So it is in the numerator there is nothing except 3, and in the denominator there are 3x. That is why it will be x cube. Now if we solve it, if we go for the exponent method, then what will happen? See, it is 9x square by 3x to the power 5. So here, because the power of x in the numerator is 2 and the power of x in the denominator is 5, and obviously 5 is greater than 2, therefore the calculation, means the subtraction process, will be done in the denominator. So it is obviously 3. So 3 by x to the power, because 5 is greater than 2, so we will write 5 minus 2. So it will be 3 by x to the power 3, and it was the answer previously. Let's go for this problem. Here divide 5x cube by x to the power 13. So I will recommend you students to go for the exponent method, because you are not going to write x for 13 times. So let's go for exponent method. So 5x to the power 3 by x to the power 13. So here, because 13 is greater than 3, that is why we will write 5 by x to the power 13 minus 3. So it is 5 by x to the power 10, and this is the answer. The next question is divide 35x square y to the power 5 by 7x cube y cube. So you can choose exponent method or you can choose expanded method. So I will go for the exponent method first. Okay, let us write 35. It is exponent method, 35 x square y to the power 5 by 7 x cube y cube. Okay, so this is 5. Now 5, it is x square and x cube. So this 3 is obviously greater than 2. So we will write x to the power 3 minus 2. Now this 5 is greater than 3. That is why we will write 5 minus 3. So it is 5 minus 3 is 2, and this is x3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the answer. Let's go for expanded method. So 35 x to the power 2 into y to the power 5 divided by 7 x cube y cube. It is equals to, so it is first of all 5 into x, y is 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, and here x, and here y is 3 times, y. So now this x will be remained. So here 1x is remain in the denominator, and here 2y will remain in the numerator. So it will be 5y square by x, and it was the answer previously. Thank you students, hope you have understood. In the next video we will discuss on division of polynomial by a monomial. Thank you students, thank you for watching this video.